Dear friend, my good friend, my training partner, my friend for many years, Joey Marcelo. Palakpakan natin si Joey. And Joey has beautiful taste in women. He has the most beautiful wife, Karen. Ang taste mo naman, Karen, sakto lang. Parang misis ko, ang taste nila, sakto lang. Pero ang taste natin, maganda talaga ang taste natin. Mahusay tayong pumili. So I'm so happy to be here again. Ito po yung pang-13 taon ko na with Sante. I've been with you for the past 12 years. And this is my 13th year as your face and as your ambassador. At nakakatuwa nga eh, people who don't know me, people from abroad, I tell them, you can Google my name. Ang lumalabas, Sante. Kung i-Google nyo si Kuya Kim, wala nyo may hawak na Sante. You go to your Facebook, i-search nyo, Kuya Kim, ang lalabas Sante. Lahat na lang sa internet, Kuya Kim and Sante. This is because I've been with you for so many years, more than a decade already. And I lived the life that you aspire for. And Sante has helped me in so many ways. Masyado lang ako nakadikit sa Sante. Fini-fake na tayo ngayon. I had to post something the other day to say that I'm not associated with that company in any way. Kasi kinuha yung litrato natin sa Sante, nilagyan ng ibang brand, at pinalalabas na